The Minister of Information, Communication Infrastructure has highlighted key issues pertinent to national development during a press briefing convened by his ministry. The session, which forms part of the Information Ministry's drive to brief the public about trending national issues, dwelt on some government policies and programs. These include the current interrupted power supply in the Greater Banjul area.
The frequent power outages are being caused by ongoing maintenance of some of the generators, and this is resulting in extensive load shedding due to inadequate power supply to meet the demand. The crux of the problem is that we have been working with aged and obsolete equipment, some of which is almost 30 years old. The Gambia acquired some of these generators second-hand as decommissioned equipment from other parts of the world about 3 decades ago. However, plans are underway to replace these old generators with new ones.
The President's United Nations General Assembly meeting.
As President Adama Barrow addressed the 72nd session of the United Nations General Assembly in New York last week, he also signed the following new treaties while in New York. 1. Abolition of the death penalty as part of the second optional protocol to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. 2. The International Convention on the Protection of the Rights of all Migrant Workers and members of their families.
And the Kuntur flood assistance effort.
The aid mobilization effort is still continuing with people of goodwill, both at home and abroad, making generous donations. Minister Jao also deliberated on the operations of the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparation Commission, Security Sector Reform, the Janneh Commission, amongst others. The Information Minister also responded to questions from several journalists from various media houses.
Death penalty that you shared earlier on in your statement that President Adama Barrow signed. Right activists are saying that it could have been better if Adama Barrow would have come here, hope, and discussed this before going ahead and sign.
As the chief executive, he can sign anything outside or in the country as well.
Key amongst them was mechanism put in place by government to address the plight of deported migrants and the marketing of produce by farmers. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Mariama Balde.